Did you know these three facts about allergy season? Around 20 million Americans are allergic to dust mites, and they thrive in your carpets and bedding. Regular vacuuming and washing can help reduce them. Pollen can stick to your clothes, shoes, and even pets, spreading throughout your home. A deep clean keeps those allergens from building up. Indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outside. Cleaning air vents, changing filters, and dusting often can dramatically improve air quality. Live a clean life this spring. Follow us for more cleaning tips.